Alright, sorry, I was muted. Alright, sorry. Sorry if you hear the echo. Anyway, I just got into a cell here, and we will see if it works out. We don't know if this trade will work out or not, but here's the trade. We got in right here, and we'll see how it works out. We have news in 5 minutes, so this may not work out. Let me make sure my stop loss is about the same. 955, okay. If I go to my MT4, we have okay. Sorry about that. It's a good entry right now. This may not work out, but overall we're bearish for the day. Okay, we're bearish for the day, and we're just going to see how the news plays out. We do see it trying to be bullish, so this may fail and we may get a different signal, which if we get a different signal before 8:30, then we won't take it. We'll take it after the news, but you don't have to take this trade here. News is in 3 minutes. So we may see market actually be volatile right now. Looks like it's holding this level. It may just drop for news, but we'll see. We will put our trade to break even once it goes to 1 hour, if it goes to 1 hour. So let's see how it's doing. So the trade is based off this engulfing right here, right? It didn't engulf the whole candle, but it did engulf the body, which is what matters, right? And it's after 8:20. Now, maybe could have entered a better trade after news in 3 minutes. We will see. We will see how it goes. This one may very well fail, but we have news in 2 minutes, so maybe news will help us before it loses. But it may very well lose before news, so we don't know yet. Yeah, it looks like it doesn't want to. Yeah, it may lose before news, but we'll see. We have news in less than 2 minutes. Okay. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it looks like we got stopped out here. Okay. This is okay. After news, we will take one more. We will take one more trade if. So this is a loser here. We will take one more smaller trade after news. News is in 1 minute. Okay, so we have 1 more minute of news, and let's see what happens. A few seconds. Alright, so here's the news, and we see it drop. Okay. It made a new low, which to me this means that we may get a big move down, but we'll see. So we may take one more trade. Okay. So now what we're waiting for is just price to give us some type of bearish engulfing somewhere in this area, and we will take it to go down. Okay. Looks like price will keep going down. What we want to see is something like this. And then price to keep going down. It may take a while, but we'll see. Whoa. Pretty bullish candle here. Once it reaches in this area, we want a bearish engulfing. The first trade would have worked out. The stop loss was a little bit higher. So it was like a small little trade. Okay, so once it reaches up in here, we just want a bearish engulfing. It doesn't matter when the bearish engulfing happens, we just want it to at least retrace back up into the 50 area, which technically it's done it right here and right here. So, okay, so here we have gold up here, so we are going to look for a bearish engulfing now, since it's reached its goal of retracing up. Okay, so right now we have gold about to if it breaks the high here, we probably won't take a sell yet. Yeah, it looks like it broke the high of the day, which is also the high of the session. If it closes above it, we probably won't take it, because it's showing very bullish, very bullish sign if it does that, because it's broken the highs, right? It broke the previous highs, then came down, broke the previous lows, now it's broken the highs. Alright. Okay. For some reason, my mouse is not showing up. Sorry, give me 1 second. Okay, there we go. Alright. It is still bearish for the day, so we may get a trade up here. We don't know that yet. But looks like price wants to keep going higher. Today, do we have news? Tomorrow? Okay, so no other news today. So let's see how it goes. Okay, let me take a look here. What do we see? Alright. Looks like there was an engulfing here, so I will take this, perhaps. Let's see if I can place it in order. I'm not going to chase it, however, I will put my trade entry right. Oh, perhaps it's missed. Let's see. If if it goes to 1R, I'm removing the entry. Basically, my entry is going to still be up here. Oh, I think, is this 1R? Let me see. I might have missed my gold trade here. Has it hit 1R yet? Yeah, it just hit 1R. So, if it was to come back up into entry, this would be break even. So I'm going to go ahead and close this order because this means we've missed the trade. Okay, which is all right. Let's see if it hits break even or if it will hit TP. So there would be no risk in this trade here. I was hoping it would retest the entry again before going down, but whatever. So if it comes back up, it's pretty much break even. Okay, so it looks like gold might go back to break even here in this candle, or it's going to, next candle, going to drop some more. I have a feeling it's probably going to hit break even first. Yeah, it looks like it would hit break even right here. Let's see. Yeah, it would hit break even. So this trade would be break even because it hit, what was the lowest it went? It went right there, so yeah, this would have been break even. And most likely gold will keep going higher if this is the true trend, right? If bullish is the true trend, look at this. If I move my Fibonacci from the bottom to the high, look where gold came and reversed in the 50 line, right? Not only did it reverse in the 50 line, it made an engulfing candle right here, right? So if that is the case, right, if this is the case that it wants to go long, then this is the stop loss right here, and take profit means it most likely is going to go back to the highs if it is bullish. If it's not bullish, then it's going to keep going down, but we had a bearish sentiment, right? So we're not taking this bullish trade that just activated right here. It may very well work out, right? But our bias is bearish, so we stick to our bias. But let me go ahead and remove this. So now we don't really have a trade. You could say this is another entry, but because we got the best entry and we got taken out at break even, we're not going to take another entry. There's just no point in taking another sell entry off this engulfing here. Okay? So it would have taken you out right here, and then now it's going lower back. Let's see if it will hit TP. So this might be also a quick short stream if okay, so right now we'll see how it plays out, whether it would go higher or lower. I still think overall it is now bullish, because if we look on the daily, right, we do have price did reject off this area, right, but it is bullish. So if I go here, it is bullish, but we're bearish for a different reason, and overall it could hit this TP, or it could start reversing and take out the highs again. Okay, so looks like it wants to go down again. So it may actually hit here or not, we'll see. Let's see what the 2R, give me 1 second, let me check what the 2R trade was if we entered right here, and stop loss would be 52. Right there, 2R would be right here. Okay. So let's see if it would hit this level if we did not move to break even right here. Looks like it would be close. Okay, so it would have hit TP right here. Okay, I think that's the only trade we would have got today, guys, so perhaps I will just end the stream off here. I will talk to you guys tomorrow, same time, and have a good day.